exciting, challenging and adventurous.
I really enjoy being here, working in this environment, seeing the whole thing change, and the whole community's really got behind us.
I need a new challenge in my life, and this is the perfect opportunity. The adventure's there for an opportunity to go on a once-in-a-lifetime trip and go around the world.
We're going to repeat the original voyage of discovery of Antarctica. It's a huge adventure. A chap called Captain William Smith was trading around the world, struggled to get round a wind around Cape Horn and sailed further and further south and eventually found Antarctica. That was a big moment in time. It was the discovery of the seventh continent, and that was from Blyth. That's really, really big stuff. So what we're trying to do is get that level of energy and enthusiasm back into Blyth. It's an adventurous thing to do. It's an exciting thing to do. That's where real adventure happens. It's on that edge. It's in that area where you think you can't go, but you get there.
That's just something I want to be involved with. It's not only the venture to the Antarctic, but it's being part of the build. It's being part of the ship, part of the community, and it happened. And why not do it again and be part of it?
You've got the tide, you've got the weather coming in unabated. You've got nothing to navigate with except the stars. And that's even more exciting, the sun and the stars. You can have huge waves engulfing the deck, and then the next day you can be in a total calm, basking in sunshine. The sea's an amazing thing, and they do say, you know, you can't adjust the wind, but you can adjust your sails, and that's actually true.
I feel really proud to be part of it. It's mainly part of the reasons I got involved, because of the skills that used to happen here, the people who are involved. It's a great place to be, it's a great place to work.
Once I've planted my feet here, it feels almost like a second family, to be fair. It's a landmark of history. The discovery of Antarctica is something that really needs to be recognised.
It's quite a big trip, really, and in a 100-year-old boat made of wood, it's even more exciting. When you've done it, you just won't be able to look at the world again in the same way. It'll completely change the way you think. I think it's something that we need to do more of, and this sort of opportunity, going to Antarctica, is one of those times when you think, yeah, okay, I've got to do this, because, you know, how else am I going to really explore my limits and also the bit of the world? Northumberland should be hugely proud of its past and its heritage, but also it should be hugely proud of its future. And that's really what Blyth Tall Ship is aiming at. We're capturing this spirit of adventure and energy that was used to discover the Antarctic landmass back in 1819 and reprojecting it into our future, into the future of our young people, into the future of our volunteers, and actually into the community. They are going to show the world what Northumberland mentality can do.